Well, in this vlog, I'm gonna show you one of my bucket shots, and let's move on to that place where I flew my drone and got that shot that I wanted, really wanted. Let's go to Google Earth and search Niyamgula, and there it is. That's India, that's where I live, and hit enter and it's gonna take me to that particular place, and there it is. You can see. So that's basically the main road, and that's the Jolly Cinemas and Jolly Max Cinemas, and it's Luaras Hospital, and this is the Bongaigaon Eco Park, and this is north and this is south, and that's east west. So towards the south, if we go, oh sorry, it's not a touch screen. If we go like that, let me show you. So zoomed out a bit, so this is the park, and if we go that way and we reach this Mazgaon Niyamgula. So zoomed in, so from that place there is Mazgaon railway station here somewhere, and so from that point we need to come in like that, and so we get this whole Niyamgula area, and this is a very beautiful place for the nature lovers. So now you have this detailed view of this place. So these are all the hills where I found the clouds on top of these hills. So I flew the drone from around somewhere like here. So different views I took from different angles and different sides. I'm just excited about the drone shots. I really have to go and check. I'm gonna go grab some drone footage of the hills and the clock tower. Well, I came chasing the clouds in the hills, and this is a quite cool place here. And I'm gonna fly the drone from here and take off and take some shots towards that way. Let's see. Test the motor. So that shot was in the bucket list of my shots, and I was like, I have to get it, and the way I wanted, I got the same way. I'm just satisfied with the shot. That pizza, you can see, that's Laziz Pizza. That pizza is older than the Domino's here. Domino's is that side. We have to move about 1 kilometer from here.